Hello, everybody, and welcome back to daily analysis from Fortitudefx. So let's look at the daily, and what we see here, the price is currently ranging, yes, internal ranging. So we hit the daily demand, and then we have an internal supply here, and the price is currently ranging within the daily internal supply and demand. Not much going on here. Let's move into 4H. So over here, what we can see is, again, there's not a lot of exciting action this time around. What we see here is price again is sort of ranging. We had the 4H chalk bullish, which gives a good intent that price may be ready to move up. This could form the new lower high, go up, down, and then it could be a new 4H boss. So if we zoom out and we look at the big picture, 4H chalk, protected low, and from here on, it might be ready to just keep pushing upwards. Let me push that a little out like that to give you an indication of what the premium and discounted ranges are, like that. Let's move on to 1H. Again, like I said, not much happening here, but times like this, it's really low probability trades. Yeah, you don't want to force anything when there is no clear commitment of price in either direction. Why force trades, right? So one of the things is that being a day trader or even a swing trader, I call myself a swing trader, but I rarely hold my trades overnight, leave alone 2 days, 3 days, over weeks. But you don't need to get involved when there is no setup there, right? You don't need to force yourself to get into a trade just because you have this mental perception that you are a day trader, right? There could be many days, a couple of weeks where there is no setup. The market is just ranging. And ask yourself, if you have a big account, a prop firm account, or a challenge that you're passing, do you really want to take those low probability setups? And not only those low probability setups, are you willing to risk your hard-earned money or a big scaled up account on those setups? I think not. So might as well just wait and see what happens. Again, internally, not much going on, but if I were to look at it, this bearish candle right here, the pivot candle here did take some liquidity. You see the equal highs taken out, and it did break some structure, right? So if I would be monitoring this, it's again a low probability setup, so I have to have a very, very clean setup over here for me to get involved. It is counter internal, it is counter swing, so not the best place to be involved in. But in 15 minutes, if I were just to really give you a sense what's going on here, we had a massive sweep. The way I'm thinking it is this low failed to break this high, then this lower high failed to again break this high, failed to close above. This lower high failed again to close above any of these. So I'm thinking that all of this is weak, about to get run, and you can also see there's tons of liquidity here. But again, I have to have this confirmation within this range, a very clean price action for me to get involved. At this point, what I'm looking at is that I've set an alert here, meaning that I want this alert to go, which gives me an indication and then give me a bearish confirmation, right? So this is for me an inducement. This is the candle that I would be interested in. This could be just a trap, right? So if this goes and then I get some confirmation over here, I'm definitely getting involved. It all depends on how clean the setup is. And given the fact that it's going to be a bank holiday, 4th of July today, I suspect the price is going to be fairly low. All right, guys, you all have a good one, and we'll talk to you this evening. You all take care. Bye-bye now.